Hello, welcome Simon Shield Cars, and today we're going to show you a rather nice Hyundai iX35 we've got into stock. Lovely sunny day here in Suffolk, so you'll be able to see it well. It's a 2014 on a 64 plate, 1.6 GDI petrol, SE navigation is the model, manual gearbox, petrol engine, and 27,400 miles from new. Locally supplied, locally looked after, really nice car, good looking car with the grey alloy wheels as well. So let's show you around the car. Good ground clearance with these, you sit up high, plenty of ground clearance, popular these SUVs all across the board now. Very reliable, all in nice condition, low mileage cars you'd expect it to be. Nice 17-inch grey alloy wheels. See the paintwork really well today. Looking around the back here, we've got rear parking sensors on the car. We've also got the reversing camera, we'll show you that on the screen in a minute. Right, let's show you in the boot. All lovely and clean and tidy in here, load area cover present. Got a power socket in the back here as well. And we have got a full-size alloy spare wheel here as well. This is a rare thing in a car, with a brand new tyre, never been on the road. All the tools, etc., all in there as well. I think that was actually an option, that wheel. Okay, moving down this side. Again, all in lovely condition. Show you the back here. We've got black interior. It's half leather, half cloth in the centres. Rear armrest. We've also got a full set of carpet mats. All the other thing here, we've got heated rear seats in here as well as front seats. Nice thing to have. Okay, into the front here, full set of electric windows. We've got electric folding mirrors here as well. As you can see, driver's seat all in good order. Okay, on the steering wheel here we've got the cruise control and the controls for the Bluetooth, etc. Automatic headlights across the screen in the middle here. We've got Bluetooth in here and navigation. And moving down, we've got climate control with air conditioning. Down below that we've got the heated seats, heated front seats, and then we've got power socket, USB and auxiliary. 6-speed manual gearbox. Right, let's show you under the bonnet. So there we go, nice and clean and tidy under here. We've got the 1.6 litre GDI petrol engine. Good on power, good on fuel. Nice and clean and tidy under here as you'd expect with this mileage. Okay, just to summarise that again for you, 2014 on a 64 plate Hyundai iX35. 1.6 GDI petrol, SE navigation is the model, 27,400 miles from new, and we've got a full service history with the car, grey metallic, really nice example, definitely worth having a look. If you need any more information, please give me a call, Simon Shield Cars. Alternatively, hop on the website for all the photographs, stills, pictures of service history, etc. at simonshieldcars.co.uk. We can also offer very good rates on part exchange price and also on finance. So if you need any help with that, please just let me know. Thank you very much for watching.